Question number 47 on the reading portion of College Boards Test 3. As used in line 35, postulate most nearly means. So postulate, this is a vocab question, so we have to identify the word in the passage, read around the word for context, come up with our own definitions for that word, our own phrases, right, our own associations, and then see which answer choice matches that best when we plug it into the sentence and read the sentence. Which one, maintains that original meaning of that original usage of the word. So let's read for context. In addition, immunocompromised or nutritionally deficient bees may be further weakened when commercially produced insecticides are introduced into their hive by beekeepers. We further postulate, we further think, right? Because notice how we suspect that then they keep bringing up, where else do they say that? We further postulate, we postulate, they keep saying, this is what they think to be true because they haven't done the experiment yet. The experiment's going to be done in line 42. We further postulate, or we further think, we further believe, based on, we're not 100% sure, but based on our scientific reasoning and based on the structure that we've created for this problem, we believe. We're going to hold this to be true. That's what a postulate is. When you assume that something is true, that seems consistent with what you've done so far, but it hasn't been proven yet, which is important. Because otherwise it would be a fact or a theorem or something. So we further postulate. We further make an unfounded assumption, A. Is it unfounded? No, they have a reasonable thought process and structure behind why they think the answer is what it is. They're not making it unfounded. Unfounded just means you put your finger in the air and say like, I think this is what it is. No, they have reason to believe it, even though they're not 100% scientifically certain that it's true. So I don't like the unfounded part. Unfounded assumption in this case means that it's like you just made it up. Put forth an idea or claim. I like that. I like we further put forth a claim. We say this to be true. We put it forth. We're not saying it's fact. It's not just objectively true. We just need to be reasonably confident in order to move the ball, in order to make it become either true or not true. So I like the conservative wording of B. We put forth an idea. We put forth a claim. We say. We believe. I like that. What about C? We question a belief. We further question the belief that the proper dosage necessary. A postulate, when you postulate, we suspect. I like these words, like that might be the best definition. We suspect, in particular, we postulate, we think, we believe, we suspect. These are reasonable things for us to believe, even though it's not 100% sure. We're not questioning anything. You might be questioning a belief or theory by coming up with experiments for it, but that's not the context of this word postulate. We further question that you're not poking holes in something, you're putting forth an idea, which is better matched with B for 47. We conclude based on firm evidence. No, that's not. You can't conclude based on firm evidence unless you have experimental data to confirm it, and we don't have experimental data at this point. Postulate, suspect, all these things that are conservatively worded are very scientific because there is no experiment to confirm or to reject our hypothesis. So conclude based on firm evidence, there is no firm evidence. We have to go based on 70% belief. The answer number 47, the one that I think best matches what we mean when we talk about we are postulating, we're putting forth an idea, we suspect, put forth an idea or claim. The answer 47 is going to be B.